Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact Yahoo Mail support quickly and easily, step by step. So let's get started. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and go to help.yahoo.com. Again, that's help.yahoo.com. And this is Yahoo's official help center, so it's the safest and most reliable place to get support. And from here, you want to make sure that you're logged in. Then you want to click on the Contact Us button right over here on this page. This will take you to the Yahoo support interface. Just click on it, and this is the place where you can directly reach their support team. This pop-up window will appear, and from here you can select the issues that you're currently facing or that matches your problem, like password reset, account recovery, or security issues. Just choose the right category, ensures your request reaches the right Yahoo team faster. Then you want to make sure to enter your email ID carefully, double check for typos because this helps Yahoo identify your account and provide personalized help. And finally, once you're done and okay with the product and the Yahoo ID, just go ahead and click get started and follow the on-screen instructions. Just answer any additional questions so Yahoo can fully understand your issue and give you the best possible solution. And basically, that's it. You've now learned how to contact Yahoo Mail support the right way. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.